Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming licensing and collecting WAF2 or WAF files. This matters because browsers prefer compressed formats. Next, go into Shopify Admin, Online Store, Themes, Actions, Edit Code. That opens the theme editor where you'll add files. Upload each font file into the Assets folder using Add a New Asset. Name files clearly, for example, My Fontregular. WAF2. Once done, you'll reference these assets in CSS, so keep the file names exact and case-sensitive. You now declare at font face inside your theme CSS. This tells browsers how to load your custom font. Open theme, SCSS, liquid or base. CSS in assets, then add rules with font family names you will use, avoid spaces or use quotes. Point src to the asset URL, e.g. url/assets/myfontregular. WAF2 format, WAF2, and add font display, swap to avoid invisible text. Once saved, you can apply the new font family in themes. You finish by applying the font family to selectors or through theme typography settings, target body for body text and specific classes for headings. Then clear your browser cache and preview on mobile and desktop so you verify rendering across browsers. If fonts fail to load, inspect the Network tab for 404s or wrong MIME types. Make sure the asset URL matches and server isn't blocking cores. Fix by re-uploading correct formats, update CSS paths, and republish the theme when everything looks right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.